I referred it to a few of my friends.
Are they happy with the product?
I I think so. I think that they're happy, honestly. Like, I mean, I talk to them, but we talk every couple months. So I don't know if they leverage it as much as they should be. I mean, to me, it's like really important because I like seeing, because we focus a lot on SEO. So it's like, I want to see the revenue that the SEO is making. But yeah, I think that overall they're happy. I think comparatively, I personally think it's like a needed tool. So I think you guys are doing great. How's it been? How's the growth been? Has it been good this year? Hard for you? What's that been like?
Well, yeah, we have expanded quite quickly. We have also acquired some of the top brands in United States, also some in other places. So yeah, it's good, and we also developed a lot of features this year, uh, like creative attribution, product attribution, and yeah, we have some kind of workflow that can integrate with like Klaviyo to to enhance the signal saved by Klaviyo. Yeah, so I think there are mostly there are three parts of our product. Number one is get accurate attribution. I'm also interested in know how you use our product for SEO insight. Number two is increase the ROS, including we use server-side tracking to feed the data back to Google, Meta, and other destinations, and to enhance their attribution, conversion, and targeting with the first-party data. And we also have aids automation that can use your first-party data to adjust your aids, so you can use it to scale your winning ads and stop it to stop the loss. Number three is increase the LTV. We have to work with some clients, very big brands, to to use the customer data. We have so many customer data from the first click to the purchase, so we can use it for to personalize the apps, the chatbots. Well, that's what we're doing. We're trying to make the chatbot understand what is the search terms of this visitor. When the visitor just click to the website, what is the search term? So the chatbot don't need to guess the intent of the visitor anymore. So they know what is the buy intent. And we are also trying to integrate with Meta and Facebook, so we can use our segment to send the custom audience to Google, to Meta for the targeting for lookalike, and we also send the data to Klaviyo, so we can use our product to build a different segment and use Klaviyo to send the emails to them. So it's kind of not only attribution, but all the things we need to do across the customer journey.